y'all, today we have a really big project. We are going to harvest the potatoes. I have struggled with this a lot in the previous years, but I added a few amendments and things to try and get better, and it actually looks like we might have a few potatoes. So we are going to get these harvested, and hopefully we have quite a lot. We have two different varieties here, and I guess we will just get started and hopefully we have a really big harvest.
So do you think we should just cut all these off first and then go from there?
Yeah, probably. That way I can see the stuff better.
All right.
Where are we going to put them?
Throw
them up
just
front
throw
right
them
now?
out here. Well, I can see some taters.
In that one too?
Yep.
I don't think I'd seen them there. Man, these stalks are harder than what they look.
Yeah, I'm glad we got these snips.
Yeah, we would have been in trouble. I'm glad we only did the outside too. That would have been even harder to get to.
Oh, I see more taters down
Oh my
in there.
goodness. We may have done good.
I hope
I'm
so.
curious.
It's not like we have to improve that much over previous years to say we done good.
This is very true. Spiders. Big old wolf spider. Hopefully we don't find the tarantula like I've been seeing.
Yeah, really.
Uh-oh, there's ants.
Yeah, I'm finding some too.
This still had a few flowers on it.
Where's the cart at? I think I'm gonna go get it because we're piling up here with.
If I'm not mistaken, I think it's on the end of the house there, but I may be wrong. Oh my goodness! Look at this, Robert. It has tomato, or like, you know how they do the fruit? It has that on it.
So what is that? Is that a potato or is that
Yeah,
like?
it's just the fruit of the potato.
Oh, so you pulled that up out of the ground?
Yeah.
That was growing in the ground.
Well, no, this is where the flower was.
So this makes a flower?
Yeah.
I don't know how potatoes work.
Yes, I'm trying to find it. I did find one with flowers. Here it is. See? So you have the
So
flower.
that turns into that.
No, you start with the flower and then it does that. But usually
But
they
what's
don't
the purpose of this?
I think it'll eventually make seeds. I'm not sure.
Hmm.
But that's really cool. We went from that to that.
I got your seat too.
What now?
I got your seat too.
Oh, I thought I had brought it. I guess I messed up. Dang, it's gonna fill this up quick too.
Yeah.
Impression.
Probably should have done that on camera.
Yeah.
I'm seeing more potatoes.
Are you really?
Red ones.
Awesome. Yeah, that's what I did. I think I did the red Pontiac and then the gold on this side.
Seeing more potatoes.
Dang. We might have done pretty good.
There's a heck of a lot more than we've ever grown before. I can tell you that
Yeah,
already.
I can see one too. Funny little green ones, the ones that are really yummy.
Oh yes.
Your favorite ones.
That one's the size you buy in the store, though.
That's awesome. Wow, the ants. And a couple more in the pack.
There's a whole bunch of them in there. There's some big old potato in there.
Is there really?
Me too.
Awesome. Well, that worked out good. There's a few more extra ones, and it worked out perfect with you going and getting the cart. All right. Now to pull the ground cover off. All
Get
the
your
squash.
gloves on so the ants
Okay.
don't get
Yes,
you.
they've already got me. Thank you for the reminder. All the squash has not made it.
Well, that's all right. We'll just try it again.
Yeah, I'm gonna replant it. I forgot to get the seeds. I'll have to go back there.
So
and
what
do
would be
that.
the best thing for me to do to help you?
I think I'm just gonna, right now, I'm just gonna try and pull it off. Do this. It shouldn't hurt to step on it, should it?
No. You want to just take them staples completely out and we'll stack them up so we don't lose
Well, I
them?
think it'd be easier to know where they go, though. It's gonna be
Well, you're
harder
gonna
to
have
find that hole.
You're going to have a hole. Well,
I
okay.
know.
Just leave them. Whatever you think.
Well, I guess we aren't all the way here, but we're gonna have to go that far because. Yeah.
There's a big old anthill right there.
All right. Oh my, big anthill.
I see yellow potatoes over there.
Yeah, these should be yellows over here. We'll get this and pull this back.
Here's all your pumpkins.
Oh, really?
Isn't that what this is?
I will come and look and see. Oh, they've melted together. Oh, I see a big one on this side. Now, where do you see? Look at them, Robert. I don't think so. I think that's that weed that likes to grow here.
Oh, okay.
You see, there's several piles like there
Yeah.
and there.
Wait till you see these red ones.
I haven't got that far yet.
There's a bunch of them suckers.
Oh my goodness!
Look at all them. Some of them are
Careful for
huge.
these staples now. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on a second. That is awesome. Okay, we just got all of this ground cover pulled off, and look, there are actually potatoes. This is so much better than what we've done in the past. There's even yellow ones over there. Like, they are looking pretty good. There's some more yellow ones over there, and I know there was some more over there. The wind's blown that over. But we have quite a few, so hopefully this will be a really, really good harvest. We are super excited. So are we going to start out with the fork, or are we just going to go in with our
I
hands?
should just go in with our hands. I just wait to do that till last.
Okay, make them mad last. Okay, so are we going
You
to,
want to start at this end? I'll start at that end or something like that.
are we just going to go one side at a
I
time?
think so.
Okay. And you said start with your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab a fork just in case.
That way you don't damage them unnecessarily.
Yeah. So which end are you starting at? Oh, am I going down there, or?
You can start there if you want.
Okay.
I don't care. You're prettier than me. You'll be closer to the camera.
Oh, there's one here that I didn't even see. Oh my goodness. I got some tiny little ones here, but I know there's some big ones. Oh my goodness. We might ought to weigh like what one plant gave us. That might be kind of cool to see if it does good.
I think that's going to take forever. Should we just leave? Just throw it back in here or what?
Like the stalks and stuff?
Yeah.
Yes, that would be a great idea. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I have probably got in my hand more than what we harvested last year.
I got in my bucket more than we harvested last year already.
Well, that's good if we're both having that. That's amazing. I guess the amendments makes a big difference because, ooh, I'm in the ants. Okay, let's not make you angry, but that's a potato there, so I may have to come back and get that area a little better.
I think what we'll do is just give it everything you can see and everything, then we'll come back through and stir it up with the fork. And
So you don't want to dig at all?
well, I'm digging, but we'll come back through and stir it up and make sure we didn't miss anything.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm finding so many of these little ones that you love so much. Yeah, I was usually getting bigger ones, but this one has quite a few. Oh my goodness. They just keep coming. That is exciting.
The thing about this bed not being
Yeah. I don't know if that would help if it was deeper or not.
well, it sure wouldn't help with harvesting them.
No. I can't believe they did as good as they did. Already. Like, I'm like 2 plants in. How many plants have you done? Okay. I'm moving on to my third. I'm going to try and pull this up. Oh my goodness. Look at the big ones.
Oh, wow.
That is awesome. I cannot believe this. This is so exciting. I knew one of these days we'd surely have to figure it out.
The stars align.
Yeah. That is so exciting. There are some big ones in this.
Look at that big old mushroom.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Look at that. This is one plant and I've still got more.
It's crazy.
Are you finding big ones like that?
Some big old...
Oh, wow, you do. What are we going to do with the ones that aren't so good? There's one that's not so good.
If it's rotten, just leave it laying in
Just
there.
leave it in there. You think they'll root
Maybe.
and do anything? I think I'm on to another plant here, so I'm going to just dig deeper. Finding clay. I think that's all I see there. This is so exciting. It literally is like digging for gold. It's much more fun when you actually find
I
stuff.
know. Last year it was so sad because we got like a handful
Yeah. From this whole bed.
Yeah.
I think I planted like four or five different packages of potatoes and only got that. Like
Some of these have done really well. Some of them, I found a couple of them that didn't do much of anything.
Did you? So you like didn't get hardly anything off of them?
Yeah, I found like 2 plants that I basically got nothing.
I've had one that's been less, but I still got a decent amount, like at least a handful.
Maybe when we come through with the fork, we'll find more.
Yeah, they may have just went deeper. I think that's all for that one. I think the good thing with this ground cover too is it keeps the sun off of them with not healing them up. It keeps the sun off of them and they don't go green.
Yeah.
I think that was a good thing to do
they're
there.
beautiful potatoes.
I know.
These look better than the ones you buy in the store.
They sure do. Like, I am so happy with them. Can't believe we did so good. Proud of us. After all these years of struggling. Persistence paid off.
Look at that big honker.
Oh my goodness, I got a pretty thick one too, but yours looks way bigger. That's awesome. That is really cool. I guess that one made up for the one that didn't have any.
I guess so. They put it all into one, maybe. I don't know. You have to be as gentle with these as you.
Well, I mean, yeah, they do better and they'll keep longer if you don't damage the skin. But we're probably just gonna make stuff with them pretty soon because I just don't have the space in the kitchen. I'd rather just get them all sorted. Oh my goodness, that one looked like there was hardly anything, and it dug up a big one.
I had one that was that way too.
It's so.
But once I pulled up the plant, there was a whole bunch there.
My basket is like halfway full.
Mine's probably about the same. Look at that big honker.
Oh wow, I think that one's even bigger than the last one. Wow, I don't think I've got one that big. That one was happy.
Yeah, I'm easily over 5 pounds now.
I bet I am too. That is exciting. I'm trying to remember how big the bags were that we planted. I think they were 3 pounds.
Oh, what the heck that is?
What? What does it feel like?
It's steel.
Oh! Oh my goodness, those strange things we've dug up this year in the ground. What did you say that other thing was that I had dug up?
A Civil War pitching pen. It was what they pitched what they drove in the ground to hook their horses to when they would camp. Yeah, you can look at our yard and look at our neighbors, and we have to mow our grass basically twice as much as our neighbors because the grass grows so much more here. There's some shale in there.
What is it?
Shale.
How about that?
I just grabbed it. It was a great big rock, and I just grabbed it, and it just shattered in my hand.
Oh my goodness.
Great big piece of shale.
Look what it did to this horrible grass that we struggle with. It just has like killed it. Oh my goodness. What do you think that weighed 8 ounces or something on its own?
Probably.
My goodness.
Yeah, last year we got a bunch of ant bites and like 4 or 5 potatoes.
Yeah, it was like the size of a cereal bowl.
We've been better off to just harvested the ants.
We could find some good use for them. That would be nice.
Oh, I meant to tell you, you know that over there where we had put the pot that the ants had taken over, and we dumped it on top of that other ant mound,
Yeah.
and I told you I bet they'd fight to the death and kill one another.
Yeah.
It's gone completely.
Oh my goodness, both.
All of it. It's dead.
Oh my
They
goodness.
killed each other they literally killed one another from start to finish. There is not an ant left.
Battle to the death.
That's right. So next time you find one like that, that's what we need to do, because they'll just murder one another. Yeah, all this old Bermuda grass is dead.
Isn't that amazing? And if you look at it over there, anywhere there's light, it is just thriving and it grows so fast. I don't believe that. Oh, you're very high, very far, and I think there's a potato right there. Yeah,
Another big one.
Awesome. Oh my goodness. You are finding awesome ones. Mine is
Yeah, if y'all don't know, if you find these new potatoes like that, them little bitty,
ones kind of about like that.
yeah, them little bitty ones like that, just take them whole and deep fry them, and then put a little salt on them. They are delicious.
They are. They're like a delicacy. They're so good.
It's like the best French fry you've ever tasted.
Yep.
And if you can get the gold ones,
Well, they're right over there, baby.
they're even better.
I don't know that we've had red ones though, have we?
Yeah, we did. We had a few.
Got it at the farmer's market.
Yeah, them one people's place.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either. That is really crazy. I just cannot believe the things that we have found this year. Especially as long as we've been here.
My bucket's like 2/3 full now.
Mine's the same way. I think we're going to get to do this last one together just about. I haven't been going really far out, but I found one like right about here.
Oh, really?
So there may be more in the middle.
I haven't been going out that far either.
I haven't either, but there was one sitting on top right there.
I figured we'd take that fork and stir it up, and
Yeah.
it won't hurt it anyway to get all that alfalfa meal drove down in the ground.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I may just go ahead.
Keep finding these big old mushrooms in here.
What are they?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness, look at that one.
Oh, that's probably the biggest one yet.
I don't know, but it's pretty big. It probably feels like 6 ounces maybe.
It's taken us half the time to harvest all these many as it did the last time when we grew them in them wood chips that year.
Yeah.
And we didn't get nothing.
Yeah. And also last year, it took us a lot longer too because the grass and these weeds had taken over.
Yeah.
We couldn't just dig like this.
That's true. Well, you're right. You do find some out there in the middle there.
Yeah, I didn't notice that until just recently. So we may find even more.
Well, the worms are thick in here too.
Are they? Oh my goodness, there's more right here.
Oh.
So are these little tiny ones worth saving? He's like, little bitty bitty.
That big one just hiding there.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Okay. I wonder if we keep them in the thing, if they'll replant themselves and we'll have a fall crop of them.
Maybe. Yeah, I'm getting all the way down to the cardboard and
Yeah.
I'm not finding anything else.
Okay. Well, I didn't go out here. That is awesome. So we've got almost 2 full buckets. I don't know how big your bucket is.
Same as yours.
Red potatoes. That is exciting. I don't know if we should kick these in or throw them out. What do you think?
Let's leave them.
Okay. Well, we'll just leave them. All right. Well, I guess we are ready.
Are we going to scratch this or just leave it?
Scratch what then?
I mean, I think I found everything.
I do too. That's kind of where I was even in mine out. But you don't just yet because you were going to do the middle. I see one right there. Is it?
It's rotten.
Oh, okay. It's a bad one. Okay.
But I'm not finding like any more.
Yeah. That is exciting.
Big clump of clay.
Okay. I think that's good. We can even it out after we do the middle if you want to do that. Do you want to do the middle?
I mean, it's up to you. Oh, here I found a whole bunch of new potatoes right here.
What?
I said I found a whole bunch of new potatoes right here.
Awesome.
Guess I should been scratching it a little deeper.
That's all right. They're little. All right.
Well, I guess we're going to go to yellow potatoes. What about that one right there?
I think it was a bad one.
Is it?
Isn't it? Yeah, see, it's kind of.
Okay.
But I don't know. I'm sitting here thinking, do you think we should gather all these up and try and put them where the holes will be, or should we just let them be where they're at?
I should let them be where they're at. They'll find the light.
You think? Okay. All right. Well, I guess we'll get the other baskets and we'll get the yellow.
Yeah, that's every bit of 10, 15 pounds.
Really? That is exciting.
Show the camera here.
That's so awesome.
And Carrie's bucket's just as full.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to go down a few. You got your basket, right?
No.
Neither of us have our basket.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
the ants with the fork and not worry about them.
I have aren't super big, but there's actually some in
Yeah, there's a lot of little ones on this first one I picked up.
There's what?
A lot of little ones on this first one I picked up.
Yeah, so far, this one I didn't get quite as much as I did on the last one. Maybe some good the yellow ones as we did the red ones. I'm curious.
That's the biggest one I've gotten.
I think I got one like that. That's a little bit bigger. Oh, these are deep. Found one super deep. Oh, there's another one even deeper. Oh my goodness. Wow. Really deep there.
Well, I'm finding them deep too.
Yeah, these ones went real far. I was to the bottom on the other one. There's like down here Oh my goodness, look, I just pulled this out from the side.
Oh, that's a big one.
It came out like all the way up there.
You could bake that one. Yeah, these grow so much deeper than red ones do. I found so many worms. I'm gonna add the ants too. Found a crawdad hole that goes to China.
You're good at that.
I literally just lost 2 potatoes down it.
Did you really?
Yes.
Going out this way. These ones really go out in the middle. They are super deep. The soil on this side is not nearly as loose for some reason.
No, it's very compact.
I wonder why. That is strange. Like this was all put in at the same time. The exact same soil. Hard to get out.
Some big old night crawlers in here.
Awesome. There is like a lot of like clay that's been dug up. I wonder if the crawdads just like this side better. It does kind of stay wetter over here.
Might be.
Oh, I just found a hole that goes to China.
There's a big old night crawler. Is it a big old night crawler?
Oh my goodness.
Put him back. I guess. Except for the heat.
These are something to get out.
Well, if you think it would be better to use the fork to I mean, it's a lot harder to dig them, but it looks like a lot of these are closer to the top, so.
Most of them, I think before, every one of them had sprouted on the other one. Yeah, I don't think there's one there. We had really, really good, I guess it'd be considered germination when the potatoes start.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
That is awesome.
That's the best one.
I know. You might be able to do that too.
I don't know, my bucket's looking pretty poorly compared to how far I was earlier.
Yeah. But, I mean, they are different flavors, so it's nice to have variety.
Yeah, these are my favorite.
You need to try the fingerling one. They're supposed to be really productive.
I got some growing all the way over to the dang side, to the wood. They're flat because they've been growing up against the wood.
Oh my goodness. I had one that was close, but it wasn't doing that.
Look at that. One of those is a potato. One of those is a clod of clay.
There's a lot of that in this bed. Well, I think this one decided to just put it all up top and not go super deep. I'm not finding anything. Wish they all would have done that.
Yeah.
That's all clay. I see why, because that clay is hard to move. I wouldn't have done it either. Have the least resistance.
Well,
What'd you find?
found a big one.
Oh, it's a pretty good size one.
Biggest one I found.
Yeah. So funny when you pull them up and they're just like hanging there. Ooh, found perfect one. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Tasty. That one's perfect.
These three plants are like really grown way up against the wood.
I've had some plants that I've got a lot from, and some of them I've got like hardly anything from.
Yeah, me too.
It's so varying. Whenever the other one, they were pretty consistent.
And they're right next to one another too.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's just as much clay and everything.
Yeah. I don't know. I think there might be a little bit of clay on this side.
You know where does clay come from, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Dang crawdads dragging it up here.
Ornery things. I got two plants merging into one.
Ooh, I found a massive anthill right here.
Uh-oh. They didn't get you, did they?
Not yet.
Check your gloves good. They got me earlier. Yeah, I'm not doing bad, but
It's not.
harvest is not like the other one.
No, the other ones are 10 times as much it seems.
Yeah. I wonder what it'd be if I get to grow the one variety I really wanted. Nobody had those. Those ones are supposed to store a long time too, the Kennebec.
Yeah. Don't people grow these in like look, that one's growing a potato off of it.
That's funny.
Don't people grow potatoes in hay bales like they try and do with tomatoes?
I think so.
I don't know. We tried that one time and it didn't do nothing. So
Yeah, we didn't have the best success.
the hay just dries out too quick.
Yeah. I'm nervous and that ant hill. At that point.
Well, if they get to getting you, don't worry about them. We'll get that fork and get them. Ain't no sense in getting bit.
Of course, the biggest one, or one of the better ones with all the potatoes, is right with the ants.
Yeah, that's kind of what I bring.
Really good. You're having the same thing? The ones that the ants are better?
Seems that way.
I wonder what they do to make them bigger.
Maybe it's because they loosen up the soil.
Maybe.
And the bad thing over here is there's so many crawdads that have come through here. You can't tell what's a potato and what's a clod of clay.
It's not bad, the bucket. Mine's probably halfway or so.
Yeah, mine too. It's just not nearly as impressive as the other one. The other one was like, wow.
Yeah, and I guess it's true. We still have these up here. There's like 2 or 3 that I was saving for last. So if we get bit.
We do got quite a few new potatoes that we can fry up, though.
That is going to be good. I think we should have our homemade shake and bake chicken and fry those up. That'll be really good. Or maybe grill some chicken, maybe?
Yeah.
What sounds better to you?
Did you fall off your cart?
I was trying to reach. And the fish keeps poking me.
It just loves you.
I guess
Mm.
I was trying to be on the edge of it.
Another big one we found.
Oh, that is good.
We're starting to fill these things up.
Yeah, we made a... Maybe
There's another crawdad hole that goes to China.
So much clay.
Like some of these are growing 3 feet away from where the plant was.
Isn't that crazy?
I guess they're like the sweet potatoes. Remember last year we were finding them sweet potatoes that were way far away? Then
Yeah.
that one has got a full-on butt crack. If you look at it that way, it's a perfect heart.
Yeah? That's funny. There are lots of worms in here.
Yes, there are.
I'm so happy that the cover killed all of this last year. We couldn't do it by hand.
No. If y'all can see this from way back there, that is just a clod that a crawdad has brought up from the depths of the earth.
Basically, our natural soil, it brought up through the raised bed.
Yeah, that probably weighs 3 pounds. And you ought to hit one of them with your riding lawnmower.
When it gets dry, and right now
Oh,
it's
wow.
really wet, whenever it gets dry, we have to usually go out and pick them up so it's not so hard on you with the lawnmower.
That's just like running over a log.
Backbreaker.
Oh, they're hard to get out.
Yeah, I don't know what we need to do there. Oh, there's another one.
Stir it up. I told you they're growing right up here against the wall.
Well, maybe I missed some. I don't know.
See? Look, there's another one.
Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I don't know if let me go back. Let me backtrack.
They like it up there against the wall for some reason.
Mine weren't so happy with the worms. Well, I think was our last one for this one, isn't it?
Yeah, we just got to dig up all the ones with the ants.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I guess that was...
I'm still finding them.
That's awesome. Yeah, we have a bunch grow back.
Will they grow through the... Can you get a winter crop of potatoes? I don't know.
Frost kills them. But if you could probably get them to survive the heat of the summer, I know they don't like it, you probably could get a fall harvest.
Well, let's go get these ones that are covered in ants.
You want to take our things?
Yeah.
Can you get around my cart?
Yeah.
guess I should have just grabbed my cart.
Well, our buckets are dang near full. So what's the plan?
I think we're just gonna use the shovel. I think we should get this one first.
Do you do that one yet?
Yes, I did this
There's
one.
still some little ones there I can see.
You want to get those? Okay, I thought they were too small. What I was thinking is we get this one first, then that one, and then that one, if it's even worth it.
Well, let's right and see.
Closer.
You want to do it because I got tennis shoes on. You got boots on.
Okay.
They'll be all in my tennis shoes.
Yes, we don't want that. You think back here?
Yeah. Or just hand me that.
Oh, I went right through one. Uh-oh, that's the bad thing about using a fork, isn't it?
Yeah. He ain't no good.
The dog will like it.
Oh, yeah, yes, he would.
He would very much like it. He loves potatoes.
Put it in that basket.
I think that's good for right there. What do you think?
I think so.
Put that one in there. And here comes the dangerous part.
Get out a little further.
Like, which way? Here?
Yeah, like
on
start back here and come in way underneath.
Okay.
There you go. Now maybe you won't poke them.
Okay. Never had enough experience to do this. Let's see. There's that one. Don't get. Is that one worth saving? That little one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any more?
Not there. I'm gonna come right here and see if there's anything.
Yep, there's one.
Yeah, that's on the next plant. Alright, so we're gonna come up underneath it again like you showed me. Alright, there's a few. Well, these ones didn't do as well as the other ones with the ants. Okay.
Because
we need to take some of these ant piles that are down here and put them in here, since you were saying they kill each other.
Go to war.
Yeah. Okay, this one. Last one. Okay, careful there. This one's angry.
Ain't hardly anything there.
No, we'll tip it over this way and see if there's anything, but...
Oh, there's a big one.
It's covered in ants. There's a bucket over there if you want to dump it in it.
I think it's all right. Couple of new potatoes.
Awesome. Well, we really didn't do
Yeah, we had something eaten on some of these.
Yeah, this should have been done a little bit sooner, but it was raining so much.
Yeah, something was eating them, slug or something.
Okay.
We'll have to sort through them and throw them away.
Yeah, we definitely need to sort through it.
Should I just throw it back in there?
Since
I know it's already bad.
Yeah, probably so. Let's do that. Alright, so let's see. Whenever I did this, I put this one first, right? And then did that one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And we'll get this put back on. That's pretty exciting. We got so many. That was far exceeded my expectations.
Mine too.
I didn't think it was going to be...
I expected
Do we need to fix this any better with the shovel?
I think it'll be fine. It'll smooth out once it rains. I was expecting about maybe 10 or 20% that amount. Well, I guess we need to go get the scale and see how much all this weighs. We might have lost a staple or two.
What, baby?
I think we might have lost a staple or two. Found one.
Okay.
I think there should be one that went there though.
Okay.
I'm not seeing it.
Yeah, there should have been one here too. I can go get more. I just don't want to step on them. I guess I'll come this way. I'm just gonna step over and see if I can find them. They didn't fall in the garden bed, did they?
I don't believe so.
Okay, I didn't remember seeing them either.
You folded it all back. Well, it's not like they have the ability to stand straight up and you're gonna like shove it through your foot or anything. They're just flat pieces of metal. I found one, but I didn't find any more. That's the only one I found.
I guess that wasn't a good idea then. Just fold it over. You're right. We should have just taken the staples out.
I thought we might should have, but it'll be all right.
I just thought it would be easier and you wouldn't lose them, but that was completely wrong.
So we need 2 or 3 of them anyway.
Let's see. So that's the only one?
I think so. I think so. I'm looking and I ain't seeing.
I'll have to go into the shed and get some more.
Found a potato.
How many do you did? Oh, awesome. How many do you need?
I was saying 3 or 4.
All right, we got our potatoes here and Robert's gonna get them weighed. Big bucket. It's gonna be a little hard to read. I don't think I can see it at all. We need a better system. What are you thinking? Or can you even read it?
If I keep it from tipping over. Oh, here we go. Okay, if I can just get a little further.
There you go. Swivel.
That is 39 pounds.
Wow, that's awesome. That's kind of what it felt like. It kind of felt like a feed bag. That's awesome. So that is the red Pontiac potatoes there. These are the Yukon Gold, one container of them. They're hard to get level, aren't they? I cannot see it at all.
That is 20 pounds.
Wow, that's awesome. So almost 80 pounds, right?
This
or no,
one's got a little more.
No, I can't count. That's not right. 60 pounds.
That's where I can see it. That one's 24 pounds.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Okay, here's another one. This is the Yukon Gold. Maybe these baskets will be easier to read since they're a little bit smaller. Maybe not.
That is dead on 10 pounds.
10 pounds, awesome.
This one is a lot heavier. Those potatoes before were small. These are great big ones.
That's awesome.
That's 28 pounds.
Wow, that is really good. And we grew that all in, we didn't take up the full bed. It was a 4 by 20 foot bed, and I think it probably works out to about 36 square feet is what was used for that. So that's pretty awesome. Thank y'all all so much for watching. We may insert a little clip here of the cute little dog enjoying the potatoes too. So thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye. love the potatoes. He's so cute. I think he's happy about this.
Is that yummy? Oh my goodness. You want to try a red one?
Yay!
Let's try a real baby red one.
You get some?
Oh, there is a little bitty. Oh, well. It's gone forever. It's like, wait, where's it at? They just keep falling. Here. Oh my goodness. He even likes the red one.
Oh, he does the quality control.
I was like, yep, let's go. That.